Hello students, let's try this question. Acceleration versus time curve for a particle moving in a straight line is shown in the figure. So acceleration versus time curve for a particle which is going in a straight line is given to us. If the particle starts from rest at t equal to 0, so initial velocity of particle is given as 0, then which of the following curve is true for the same particle? If you observe the options A, B, C and D, in option A and B, see here I have a velocity versus time graph. Velocity versus time graph in A and B. For option C and D, I have position versus time graph. So I need to check whether this velocity versus time graph are correct and which of this is position versus time graph is correct. If you observe the acceleration versus time graph given, see that acceleration is first linearly decreasing. It is decreasing from 1 meter per second square going up to 0 at 1 second. Then it is decreasing with the same slope. So at 2 second the value of acceleration should be -1, and then after 2 second acceleration is constant and its value is -1, and initial velocity is 0. As initial velocity of particle is 0, the velocity time graph should start from 0. In option A, it is starting from 0, but in option B, it is not starting from 0. So definitely option B is wrong. Definitely I can say option B is wrong, because here at t equal to 0, velocity is non-zero. So option B is wrong. Let's check for option A. Initial velocity is 0, and see here that velocity versus time graph is downward opening parabola. Velocity versus time graph is downward opening parabola. Velocity is slope of velocity time graph gives me acceleration. If this is downward opening parabola, then its differentiation is going to give me acceleration, and with it will be with negative slope. The acceleration versus time graph by this velocity time graph should be with negative slope. And see here from 1 to 2, the two area are going to cancel out each other, because a graph of AT and area of that gives me change in velocity. So here areas are same, so velocity change from 0 to 2 should be 0, and that is again reflecting in the option A. From 0 to 2 velocity is changing from 0 to a maximum value, then it is again becoming 0 at 2 seconds. And thereafter velocity time graph is a straight line which represent acceleration is constant, and this straight line has a negative slope, so acceleration is constant but negative. So I am observing that option A is correctly matching. Option A is correctly matching with velocity time graph. This acceleration time graph will definitely give me the velocity time graph as in option A. Now let's observe for the position time graph. By observation of velocity time graph, I can observe what should be the position time graph. At some time when this area is velocity time graph gives me position, change in position. So initially this area is increasing up till this point, up to 2 seconds, and afterwards, because velocity is going to be negative, area should decrease. So up to 2 seconds area should increase, and after that it should decrease. So area up to 2 seconds should increase as in option C. See here, area up to 2 seconds is increasing. Thereafter slope is negative of position time graph, so velocity is negative. So this graph may be correct. But in option D, see here slope initially is positive, but at 1 second slope is going to be 0. So this D option gives me that at 1 second velocity is 0, but at 1 second velocity is at its maximum value. So definitely option D is wrong, and option C could be correct. So my correct answer should be A and C. Thank you.